Hey everybody, I'm Zem, and I'm the guy who's running Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal, or Ouya as we call it, at AGDQ 2016. I've been running this game since late 2012, when getting into a GDQ seemed like a pipe dream, and there was only one other runner. Since Ratchet's last appearance at a GDQ in 2013, the community has grown significantly in size and skill, and the runs have become insanely more optimized. I could sit here and explain the merits of this run all day, but I personally think the gameplay speaks for itself. Ladies and gentlemen, the run you didn't know you always wanted.